One of the most impactful improvements in this release of DecoNetwork is the ability to display your blank product listing prices inclusive of any applied volume discounts. Looking at our current blank product page, you can see blank product prices have traditionally shown the price for a single piece item. Let's jump into the admin section to see how we can configure the new available option. From the admin section, we'll click into products, and from the products menu, we'll choose blank product display. You'll find a new section labeled pricing display options. From here, you can configure which prices you want to display, the decorated price, the blank product price, or both. You can also determine whether you want to show the unit price or the cheapest possible price, as low as pricing, or both. Let's go ahead and choose the new option and show as low as pricing, including any quantity discounts. Let's hit save to apply that change. With this option selected, the system will consider all quantity discounts, including decoration method price tables, as well as volume discounts configured for blank products. Let's take a look at our live site and see how this new option is affecting our prices. Clicking into our blank product page, we can see our listing prices are now showing the as low as price, and indeed they're lower prices because they're now taking into account our volume discount and our decoration price tables. This new feature allows you to show your customers a more accurate price that they can expect when shopping through your site, and helps you to be more competitive.